In this video, we're going to discuss discussion posts, and to access that, we're going to go to the Discussions tab. Once on the Discussions tab, there are a few different things you may see. The first is that you'll have one box that say Discussions. These are upcoming or current. Then you'll have another box that says Closed for comment. These are discussions that have already passed. Let's click on this first one. It says Reading 1 Discussion Post. Here you'll see that there are a few different pieces about this discussion post. You have the title and the description of what you are likely supposed to discuss. Here, what's unique about this discussion post is that this is going to be a group discussion. What has been set up behind the scenes is that this is going to be a group discussion. So if you've been put into a group, you're going to have to discuss these instructions with the individuals in your group. And these individuals will have their own conversation on this topic. You'll have access to only your group's discussion. If you don't have this, you'll see every member's discussion post in your entire class. You'll also be able to reply to other people's discussion posts here. That's all for now for discussions.